Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger Channel. I have some people I just met here. What's your name, sir?
So I am Raw!
Richard Angelo Wood!
Hey!
And Star!
Hey, everyone!
I do know these guys. I'm just playing with you. So we're here at, where we at? What is this
French
place?
Quarter! Woo!
We're at the French Quarter at Disney World Resort. Right, guys?
Yes, it's our first time here. We're gonna enjoy it and check out the sights.
I'm so excited. I've never been here before. They've never been here before. And we're gonna check it out because it kind of looks like a town somewhere in the United States, right? Somewhere in Louisiana, you know.
New Orleans!
New Orleans, yes.
Yeah.
Or is it New Orleans? Tomato,
Oh, that's
tomato,
true.
I
That's
don't
true.
know.
New
Orleans, right.
Do you think they have beignets?
I hope they have, we should get beignets,
Maybe
right?
shaped like Mickey.
We should definitely get Mickey beignets, right guys? So let's go do that. Let's go to some Mickey beignets, check out this resort, see what it's all about. And what really has my eye here, and I don't know why, is a sign right across the street here, which is kind of weird. There's one right over here. And I almost tripped. Mike thinks Keelboats, which is a ride that was at Disneyland and Disney World and no longer exists. But I should go find out about that and why that's there. So let's go check out this resort, guys. Let's go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Welcome to the French Quarter!
Rooms are cute. They're like, reminds me of the All-Star kind of layout.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, but I bet these rooms are a lot nicer than the All-Star Resort.
Yeah.
And probably maybe a little bit bigger.
They got the same.
This is the water, right? Yeah. I love the shiny.
I'll show a quick shot of the pool, but there are kids in there, so I don't want to show too many angles. There we go. Nice play area. It looks like a great area for children. If your kids like to get wet, this is the place to come to at the French Quarter. Woo! You gonna go in the pool? Did you bring your bathing suit? Did you bring your bathing suit?
Jambalaya!
All right, jambalaya. You liar, you jambalaya.
Hey, what's that, right?
Oh, and po' boy.
Po' boys!
Po' boys, yes.
We're here in the New Orleans area with the Disney Stranger. Welcome, everybody. Let's check this place out.
Woo! On Bourbon Street, there's a lot of vomit in the...
Actually, we did it. Yeah, we did the whole thing.
They got all the vomit out? Oh, no.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Did you bring your horse? Because there's definitely places to hitch your horse to. Where's your horse?
That's the gula.
Is that how you say it? What do we have? Got a map?
Map of where
Looks like a pretty big resort.
Yeah. My goodness. So it looks like we just got off here. Right?
We actually might have gotten off down here, actually.
Yeah, does it say we're...
That's probably where we got off, down
So
here.
we're probably here.
You are here. We gotta check out
Oh,
this
you are
island.
here. This place is huge.
Huge, it's huge.
This place is huge.
So during Mardi Gras, you have to have a crew, right? And each crew has a name. What's your crew name?
It's Two Live Crew. That's what
Oh,
it is. My
Rich is a 2 Live crew.
Live Crew.
So we made it inside the lobby. I was actually kind of surprised it wasn't a larger lobby like the Grand Floridian or the Polynesian, but it is pretty nice. To the left is the bar and the float works, or either they're building floats or cooking dinner, I'm not quite sure. But we got the food factory in here. So I think they're making food and not floats. And if you're a scat cat, this is the club to come to. The Scat Cats Club Cafe. Oh, and here are the Mickey beignets. Disney, I think you missed out on this Mickey beignet. Look at that. Here's the Scat Cat Club. Jazz Legends here. Disney and Louis Armstrong. Hello. That was amazing, was it not?
That was awesome.
It was rawsome. It smells amazing in here. It smells like beignets in here. It smells like Cafe du Monde. It smells so good. So what is that?
Got the pot roast, everyone.
Oh, hot roast.
Check it out.
That looks really good.
Would you like gravy on both? Yes.
That looks great.
Potatoes.
Potatoes? All right.
Gravy on potatoes. Here we are at New Orleans, getting some Mickey beignets.
What you get?
Mickey beignets!
Ah!
It's right here. And I got some chocolate sauce.
Wow!
Let's go eat.
The Disney Strangers got the beignets! Oh, they're so warm. And they smell just like Cafe du Monde. Let's take a look.
All right.
Oh, look at all that
I can
sugar.
smell it. The moment you opened, I could smell that. Oh, Mickey! Oh, wow. Look at that powdered
Mickey
sugar.
beignets.
Oh, wow.
Woo!
They smell great.
Let me try that. I'll be the judge of that. Beignets from Cafe du Monde? What?
Mickey! That's not hidden. Now it is. Look at that.
Whoa!
look like an 80s party.
Woo! Mickey beignets for everyone! Woo!
We got one for you too. The stranger.
Oh, it reminds me of my first trip to New Orleans back in 1982. Oh, Mickey! Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Why don't I come here more often? This is great. Please guys, check this out. Mickey beignet! They're what?
Do you see how thick they are? They may even be better
Yeah, I don't
than
remember
the
them
ones
being.
in New Orleans.
I don't remember them being that thick.
So thick, so hot, so fresh, so moist, and it's the powdered sugar. It's
It is the powdered
Definitely
sugar.
the powder.
let it go. Let that powdered sugar go.
All over you.
Beignets all day.
This is Southern Eden. Right here in New Orleans, having a Mickey beignet.
What kind of sauce?
This is the chocolate sauce that you all been waiting for.
Delish, right?
So good. So get on down here in New Orleans, Walt Disney World.
And have some powdered sugar. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here at Port Orleans at the French Quarter. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos, especially here at the resorts. But guys, remember, there's one thing before we go my friends want to say, and that is... Just to let you walk forward! Yeah, and have a great night.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.